Meet the TORRAS Ostand, the iPad case with built-in dual kickstands. I was recently asked to collaborate on this product to review its functionality when it comes to digital artistry. I usually swap a lot between my different iPad cases depending on use, but when I'm drawing, it's usually just my naked, unprotected iPad on my lap with a pillow. Even if I'm using a case like this, it tends to flop a lot, not to mention my neck and back takes a huge hit. Enter in the TORRAS Ostand, making my life much more simpler, and trust me, it does not disappoint. First of all, it's extremely lightweight. My iPad Pro version weighs in at just 9.2 ounces. It fits easily into your bag for transport to school, work, or wherever life takes you. The two kickstands are fully adjustable, addressing that neck and back issue. And the kickstand works in both landscape and portrait, allowing you to draw or take notes both ways. It allows you to do various tasks such as watching a show, reading, drawing, or simply note-taking. And moreover, there's a built-in slot just for your Apple Pencil. Always have your Apple Pencil ready and waiting for you with full power. And don't worry about running out of juice, as it supports the Apple Pencil Pro, the Apple Pencil 2, and the Apple Pencil with the USB-C. The entire case's grip has many protection features. It has built-in 360-degree airbags, a 12-foot drop protection, which has been rigorously tested over 30,000 times. Does this iPad case have a cover? No, it doesn't, but for my purpose, I don't think I want one either. It's efficient and convenient for everyday drawing and note-taking. Just set the stand at your desired angle. Its slim and minimalistic modern design allows you to have a more focused experience, minimizing any visual distractions. Overall, I highly recommend the TORRAS Ostand iPad case. Its super durable, sturdy design allows for everyday use. To grab this product, click on the description below. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.